Hey guys, it's Colleen here with the English Law Group. I just wanted to give you some more information. We have learned about how the mortgage forbearance is really working. So if you are having problems making your mortgage payment and you would like to get your mortgage payment put on hold, which is that's what forbearance means, is that they're just going to forbear those payments and then eventually they will become due. What we found out is that by a number of clients calling and talking with some different lenders, the way that that's working is that if you call and you say, hey, I need a month to forbear my mortgage, I need just a little quick pause, and once my unemployment check comes through, then I'll be able to make the payment. They'll say, great, we'll let you do it, but next month, you get a forgiveness for this month. Next month, you're gonna owe 2 months mortgage payments. If you ask for 3 months worth of mortgage payments, upon that 4th month, you'll owe 4 months worth of mortgage payments. Those can quickly add up. And I'm not sure that a lot of people understand what that means. So what I could foresee happening is if you don't understand that and you think that those mortgage payments will just be put on the end in 20 years from now and there'll be 20 years and 3 months rather than just 20 years, that what that's really gonna mean is that in 3 months, you're gonna owe a substantial amount of money to the lender in order to make this right. And at that point, the courts will be reopened and foreclosures could begin. So unless you really, really need to, try to make your mortgage payments. And if you can't make your mortgage payments, talk to the bank and make sure that you 100% understand what it is that you're getting into. I'd be happy to look over documents for you if you need me to, but we just really don't want anybody getting themselves in a jam where they don't have the money to make that balloon payment after their forbearance period is over. Along with evictions, I've talked to a lot of investors who their clients or their tenants are not making payments. They think that the payments are being put on hold. That's not what this means. Unless your landlord specifically tells you, and I would get it in writing, that they do not need payment for this month or next month or last month or whatever it is that they're putting it on hold, it's due. You have to pay it. It's just that you can't file an eviction proceeding. And what an eviction means is a lot of times people misunderstand what an eviction is. An eviction is just the court that determines who has right to have possession of the property. So if you have somebody who's in possession of your property and they're just not making your payments, there's nothing you can do as a landlord at this point. They're just going to be living there. If you have someone who is damaging the property, causing threats, is a real, is really a dangerous person to have in that property, there are waivers that you can fill out to try to get them out before the courts officially open back up. But please, if you have any friends who are renting, tell them to continue to make their payments as best they can, to talk to their landlords. Maybe they can set up some sort of a payment plan or something like that. But just because the courts aren't open certainly does not mean that that rent is not due. So I hope you guys are doing well, that you found this helpful, and I'll be back later to give you some more updates. Thanks. Stay well.